Hello, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to write a diary. Here you will be able to see the following topics. First, format of a diary. Second, sample answers of diary writing. And the third one is questions for practice on diary writing. So let us start. Diary writing is one of the most personal and informal categories of writing. Apart from the examination point of view, you should also write diary every day. You can write about your everyday life, your experiences, feelings, opinions, aim of your life, your anger, accomplishment, and about your future plans. In addition to this, you can also write your separate diary on your achievements, hopes, mistakes, improvements, likes, dislikes, fears, joy, and sorrows. Means, diary is totally personal. You write here about yourself. Now the question is, how does it help us? Diary writing helps us to see our strength and weaknesses. It makes us more responsible and sensitive person. Now let us see the format of a diary. Here format has been shown with a complete answer of a question based on diary writing. Format is very simple, but it should be followed. So as you can see here, write name of the day, then date, followed by time at the top left corner of the page. Let me repeat it. Write name of the day, then date, followed by time at the top left corner of the page. And after that, start writing the main part of the diary. Now the question is, why day, date and time are necessary over here? See, you write diary so that you can keep a record of your present life and its events. Means you keep your diary as a souvenir. Hence you need to write day, date and time in your diary before every description of your life's event. Day, date and time will help you recall the event in case you read your diary at any time in your future life. Now let us talk something more about its format. Many people advise you to give a suitable heading if you are to describe any particular event, place or person. But it is totally optional. You may give a heading or you may not give it. It is not compulsory. And if you ask my personal opinion, I should say that it should be avoided. One more thing. We are also advised to treat our diary as a person or a friend. Hence, they prefer to start a diary with a greeting, that is, Dear Diary. A few sample paper of English also teaches you to use Dear Diary as a greeting. But again, it should be avoided. Why? It looks awkward because then it seems as if you are writing a letter. And when we write a letter, we tend to hide many things. Contrary to this, we do not hide anything in our diary. It is very personal. It is not supposed to be read by anyone else. It is your conversation with yourself. So avoid writing this greeting in your diary. It creates a wall between you and your diary. Moreover, all the great diaries like the diary of Lena Makina, Nelson Mandela's conversation with myself, the diary of Samuel Pepys, these do not start with any greeting. Next, as the diary is writer's personal document, it also does not need any signature. So don't put your signature at the end of your writing. I have tried to present a genuine and simple format of a diary. Hence, follow this format and keep writing your personal experiences of your life. Further, you need to write down this diary in your notebook so that you can use it as a model answer for practice. So, pause this video to write this diary. Now let us briefly talk about language and style of a diary. The language and style is generally informal and personal. You can also evolve your own suitable style depending on the topic of your writing. A diary should be written in first person pronoun. That is, I, me, my, we, our, myself, ourselves. You can use these pronouns as shown in the given examples. Next, topics. I have already discussed in this video regarding the topic or content of a diary. To add more to it, you can write about food, fashion, travel, sports, work, school, dreams, friends, family, etc. The main point is to be honest while writing your diary. It is for your eyes only. So be honest with yourself. Don't hide anything or hold back. Let us see one more sample answer of diary writing. Here the question is, you are staying at home for the last 1 month because of complete lockdown in city. Make a diary entry describing your activities and feelings at home during lockdown. The answer has already been shown over here. If you want to read this diary, pause this video. Read the whole diary and see the use of personal feelings, first person pronouns, and emotions expressed here. Remember to follow the format shown here. Now, write the answers of these questions. Again, pause the video and read the questions. With this, I end teaching you this diary writing. Hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.